Well, since my back is absolutely smoked from what I've done with my cars lately, I finally got out and started moving around today. Yes, the tranny's fixed in the CUDA. Engine is changed in the Charger with some help from some friends of mine. You can see my debris field of a front yard. Yes, my wife has her fun with the blow molds. But what we have here is something I've always liked to play with, is BB guns. This is a umarex Steel Storm, heavily modified. I can't leave anything alone. So this runs off a CO2 canister for airsoft. You simply place that in your front pocket. It has a red dot, it has a laser. Yes, that is a collapsing Uzi stock. Let's see how this works. Got the headgear on. Sure hope we can see this. We'll energize it. Oh, the happy sound of the CO2 going into the my BB gun. And you put the canister in your front pocket. Bring out the Uzi stock. Front grip. Fill the BB chamber. Maybe you can see that filling up. So this is the kick with this thing. And yes, I've got my red dot. Works. These are a burst. I think it's a 6-shot burst they come with from the factory. But we can't have that. So I altered this. Yes, I am moving this slow. I altered this sear in this thing to go full auto, so it'll rip down, I think it's 30 rounds. And that didn't work so well. It busted the sear because it's a cheap little pot metal sear, so I spent some time and literally carved one out of a piece of steel. So now we've got a full auto with a steel sear on these lovely cans. Oh, it's literally a blast. Yeah, there's that pesky thing of reloading the magazine. And we're full again. I don't know if we could see the laser. No, I'm not. Wait, there it is. I could barely see it, but that's better in the dark. Empty. Oh, it's entertainment. I don't think you'll see another one of these anywhere on YouTube or any place, because I don't know. I haven't. Yeah, they go quick. Throw it up again. Give you an idea of feet per second, I'll shoot the shed out there. You can hear them. Yeah, they make full auto other BB guns, but I kind of like this because, well, the CO2 chamber, you fill with a mothership CO2, and it lasts like a long time. The only downfall really is that it frosts up when it gets cold. I like to shoot this in the fall because I always shot BB guns in the fall, even when I was a little kid. And it'll frost up and then it just won't work. In fact, it might do that on us, but then again, it might not. Yes, full auto bursts are cool. It is a bit hard on BBs. getting down there now. I think it's a 200 round reservoir. Do a full dump on the middle one. Oh, it's so fun. Yes, BB guns. You may ask why I'm shooting a BB gun instead of a real gun. Well, I live in a game refuge, and charge it. In this game refuge, I cannot shoot firearms from literally September until January because waterfall season. So I play with BB guns. This is one of the greatest things. This little tube of BBs. My dad would come home with a tube of BBs after work and give it to me, and oh my God, I really appreciated that when I was a kid, because that meant I could shoot. And who doesn't like to shoot? Well, I'm sure there's some people who don't, but it's always been one of my fun things. All the way from BB guns to, hell, I'll shoot a rubber band gun. BB guns, all the way up to, what's my biggest caliber? I guess 30-06. Yeah. So what a day. What a lovely day. Especially to shoot a BB gun. Oh, there's got to be something down here to shoot. Yes, there's an old target down there in the trail. That was a big tin can. Frosting up. Whack that thing. That was fun. What else is out here for enemy targets? Oh my God, it's a nutcracker. I hate them damn things. I've had nightmares of nutcrackers. Yeah. This bullet hosed him. Yeah, what fun. Yeah, I think the CO2 reservoir is getting a little low too, because I probably put 1,000 shots to this thing in the last couple of days. But it's one thing, it gets me up and moving. Better than sitting watching YouTube all day. Better than listening about the goddamn war in Ukraine. Well, at least with our latest election, we might get our asses out of that mess and put the money where it belongs, back into our country and our people. I don't care. Demonetize me, YouTube. Oh, that's right, you already have. Well, shadow ban me. Oh, that's right, you already have. Well, anyhow, I digress. Photo mag dump. Yeah. So it won't be long, and we're going to have a bunch of snow. We won't get away without it because it's Minnesota, and it will snow here. It's going to be crummy. Won't be able to do much with the cars. But I've got a 512 engine to build. The 438 is in the CUDA, or the Charger. That was a spare CUDA engine. And it runs good. I'm on the road again. I'm driving it. We'll try and do a video with it soon. In the meantime, one last mag dump on that leaf pile, I think it is. Haha, yes. The Umarex Steel Storm with many modifications. This is what makes life fun, guys. Do stuff. Enjoy it. Get the BB gun. Shoot it. Be careful. Always wear your PPE. Safety glasses are paramount with BB guns. Anyways. Relax. It'll be okay. Thanks for watching.